Welcome to Beautyistic. Ever find yourself struggling to get the perfect bikini line without irritating your skin? Let's face it, shaving down there can be a real challenge. Whether you're prepping for a vacation or just want that smooth feel, finding the right tool is key. Today, I'm reviewing the Vivitar 3-Piece Bikini Styler Kit, a convenient solution designed to help you achieve that smooth, well-groomed look effortlessly. Before we jump into the details, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. Now, let's see if this kit lives up to the hype. The Vivitar 3-Piece Bikini Styler Kit includes a shaver, a trimmer head, and a foil shave head, making it versatile enough to tackle different hair lengths and preferences. It's designed to be used on both wet and dry hair, so it's ideal whether you prefer to shave in the shower or while getting ready. The trimmer head offers a close trim, while the foil shave head is meant to give you a smooth, irritation-free shave. Its compact design makes it easy to handle and store, perfect for travel or quick touch-ups. I've used this bikini styler for a few weeks now, and I've got to say, it's surprisingly effective. The trimmer head gives a precise, close cut without any nicks or tugging, perfect for trimming any longer hairs before getting a smoother shave with the foil head. I tested it both wet and dry, and honestly, I prefer the dry shave when I'm in a rush. It feels faster and just as close. The wet shave is a little more comfortable, especially for sensitive skin, and it leaves my skin feeling soft, which I love. But it's not all perfect. While it does a good job, it's not as powerful as some of the higher-end trimmers. So if you're dealing with really thick or coarse hair, it might take a little longer. Also, the battery life could be a bit longer, especially if you're using it for more than a quick trim or shave. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the kit is affordable, compact, and versatile, perfect for anyone who needs an all-in-one tool for grooming. It's easy to use, and the fact that you can use it wet or dry makes it super convenient. However, the lack of a stronger motor means it's better suited for finer hair, and for those with thicker hair, it might not be the most efficient option. When it comes to value for money, this kit is pretty solid. For the price, you're getting a reliable trimmer and shaver combo, which is ideal if you're looking for something affordable and effective without breaking the bank. If you're considering alternatives, there are other kits on the market, such as the Philips Bikini Genie or the Panasonic Women's Bikini Trimmer, which offer similar features but with slightly better performance for thicker hair or longer-lasting battery life. They may come at a higher price though, so if you're on a budget, this Vivitar kit is still a great option. The build quality is decent. Nothing too fancy, but it gets the job done. The materials feel durable enough for regular use, and the design is sleek and functional. I can see this lasting for quite a while if you take care of it. If you're interested in the Vivitar 3-Piece Bikini Styler Kit, the link is in the description box or comments below. And if you've used this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.